Compound statement. We have 4 compound statements. First, the negation. Second, conjunction. Third, disjunction. And fourth, implication. So we will differentiate those 4 compound statements. First, the negation. The negation of any statement P denoted by not P, this is read as not P, can be formed using the word not. So we will add not in a given sentence, or changing equal to not equal, or some similar divisions. So if we have all are, the negation of all are is some are not. For none are, we have some are. For some are, we have none are. For some are not, the negation is all are. So here are the rules of logic for negation. The negation of true statement is always false. The negation of a false statement is always true. Let's have an examples. All apples are green. We know that this is a false statement. So to form the negation of P, we have all are. Therefore, we will change that into some are not. So the negation will be some apples are not green. And this is a true statement. Some calculators are solar powered. This is an example of true statement. And to form the negation of the given statement, we have some are. We will change that into none are. So the negation of some calculators are solar powered. This is none calculators are solar powered. And that will be a false statement. All prime numbers are odd numbers. This is an example of false statement. So, how we can determine if that is a false statement? We should have the counterexample. Counterexample is an example that we can give to contradict the given statement. So we know that 2 is a prime number. So this is a counterexample of the given statement. All prime numbers are odd numbers. So that will be a false statement. So the negation of the given statement, we have all are. We will change that as some are not. So some prime numbers are not odd numbers. And this is a true statement. 2 times 5 equals 7. And this is false. So to write the negation, that will be 2 times 5 is not equal to 7. So we do not write the true value of 2 times 5. Instead, we will write the negation. So if we have equal, the negation of equal is not equal. And this will be a true statement. True points can determine a line. This is true statement. Next, to get the negation, from can, we can add word not in a sentence to make the negation. So this will be 2 points cannot determine a line, or 2 points can't determine a line. And since we have the true statement, the negation of true statement is always false statement. Next, a triangle is a 3-sided polygon. This is a true statement. Next, we add word not on the given sentence to make the negation. A triangle is not a 3-sided polygon. and that will be a false statement. 7 is a composite number. This is a false statement. So when we say composite, it is a number that have many factors aside from 1 and itself. Another way to negate the given statement, so we have 7 is not a composite number. It can be acceptable as a not P, or we can have 7 as a prime number, because the reverse of composite number is prime number. But we can also write the given as 7 is not a composite number. This is both acceptable as a negation of the given statement. And since we have false statement, the negation of false statement is always true statement.